Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to celebrate a birthday. 1. Eat your favorite food. It's your day. Treat yourself to your favorite foods, no matter how unconventional they may be together. Enjoy every bite. 2. Do a favorite childhood activity. Revisit a childhood activity that made you happy, whether it's a game, drawing, or something playful. Rediscover your inner child and creativity. 3. Remember your favorite birthday. Reflect on a birthday that stands out to you. Relive those fond memories and enjoy the nostalgia. 4. Laugh out loud with friends and family. Find something that makes you laugh joyfully. Laughter is not only for fun but also great for well-being. Just watch a movie with your family or friends or go out. And finally, receive or give a gift to someone else. The joy of giving can be greater than receiving. Surprise someone with a gift, starting with your mom, who likely remembers your birthday better than anyone else. And finally, instead of receiving gifts, give your time to or energy to someone you care about or even to a charity. Make the day about spreading kindness. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.